Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Windrose game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen, fatal error, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon and then click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -D3D11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, you simply have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under background processes, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end a task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Now you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes and wait for some time. Once it is over, now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check if it's working. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed, select custom size. In initial size, type 12288 and the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to go to the settings. After that, here you have to search for graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Add the game to the list. After the game is added, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Windrose game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Windrose game, and then click on the play button, check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Windrose game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, black screen, fatal error or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.